When we were 15, I remember the car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light. We're getting older, there's a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before. You give me butterflies, it makes me wonder if there could be something more. We were only kids when we first met.
Hi my friends, what is up and welcome back. So today's video I have some extreme cleaning motivation for you. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm excited to share it with you. I recently took a week off from YouTube, but I am back and better than ever. So I am super excited to just jump into the cleaning and to get you guys motivated to tackle your to-do list, whatever you need to get done. I hope you get it done today. So I am starting in my kitchen, and my kitchen definitely has taken a hit. I recently went grocery shopping, so I needed to finish putting away groceries and just kind of putting everything back together. I'm going to let some music play, and I will be popping back in and out throughout this video. But for right now, let's get cleaning, and I'll be back in a little bit.
Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. When we were 15, I remember car rides, small fights, conversations all night. I never saw you as anything more than a friend, but now I see you in a new light. We're getting older, there's a sparkle in your eyes that wasn't there before. You give me butterflies, it makes me wonder if there could be something more. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. We were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and we were only kids when we first met. Now let's discover where we have been yet. I don't wanna wonder what could have been. So baby, take my hand and let my love in. Cause I'm the one that knows what I should gonna want. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far we'll go. Cause you know I'll stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. 'Cause I'm the one I lost, but I should go on. Don't wanna let you down. You just wanna know how far I will go, 'cause you know I'll stay around. So let me know where to go. So let me know where to go. I wanna find you. I wanna find you. I wanna find you. I wanna find you. I've let you cross me. My mind shuts down and I can't compete. My body's shaking and I'm scared to say just how I feel. Gotta turn on that noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, as if you won't listen, I might just have to go. I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout.
One of my favorite parts of cleaning the kitchen is always doing my sink. I don't do it that often. I would say maybe once a week. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. But one of my favorite things to do in the sink is, or in the kitchen rather, is to use soft scrub on my sink. I get a lot of questions about what product I use like for this. So I started showing it in my recent videos, and it is soft scrub. And I just absolutely love how it makes like the kitchen sink sparkle, and it's one of those little things that like brings me a lot of joy. I'm sure that like that's just me and nobody else gets this amount of joy from bleaching their sink. But I just think it looks so like shiny and sparkly and clean, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I know, like I said, I know a lot of people ask me what I use in my sink. So it is soft scrub, it is bleach. I know that people are kind of on the fence about using like, not like toxic. I hate to use that word, but it's kind of the truth. Like toxic household cleaners. I know a lot of people go for a green cleaner, but every once in a while, sometimes I think like a heavy duty cleaner is necessary. And yeah, I am a soft scrub girl.
And you don't wanna talk this out. And I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me. Choose me. So I need to choose me. Choose me. I really need to tell you the truth. Your talk is cheap, but your words cut deep. Don't you understand that you're bringing me down till I'm stuck on the ground? I need to turn on the noise so I can make the right choice. I need to know, can this be different, or should I let this go? I want to leave this all behind. Can we close this door for peace of mind? 'Cause I'm not the one to scream and shout, and you don't wanna talk this out. And I don't wanna lose me, so I need to choose me.
So after I am done in the kitchen, I am going to quickly go through our bedroom. Really nothing crazy here. I really just wanted to get new sheets on the bed. That hadn't been done in a more time than I would like to admit. So I am putting new sheets on the bed, and then really quickly I'm going to fold some laundry, and that's actually going to be it for day one. This video was filmed over 2 days, so that was all the cleaning I did on day one. And on day two, which you guys will see through the power of editing right after this, I am going to tackle my living room.
Choose me. So anytime, choose me. Choose me. I really need time, and I don't wanna lose me. So I need to choose me. You're always stuck in my head, you know I can't forget it. I try to move on, but you're the one that I dream about. I sit alone in my room, drawing up pictures of blue skies. We've been apart for so long, I'm always replaying all the pictures and memories stacked up in my head. I wish I could let you go, I wish I could just forget you. I can never shake you off. You're stickier than my super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off. I don't wanna shake you off. My friends are saying move on, I know I don't belong in this fantasy world I put you and me in. I cover up both my ears, cause right now, baby, it's working. It's working. Never shake you off. You're stickier than the super glue. I can never shake you off. I'm always trying to get rid of you. I'm never shaking you off.
So my living room is definitely a hot mess. You guys know that I love my incense, but my incense get everywhere, which you can see right here. There's ashes like all over this like storage unit. I really needed to clean that. I need to do that more often as well. And then also I have been recently I've been working out upstairs. Normally I do that downstairs in like our spare bedroom that's in the basement, but just it's easier for me to get it done upstairs so I can keep an eye on Evelyn, like when she's eating breakfast or something like that. So I have like my little workout space, which you guys can see, but I do have to always, make sure that I'm picking up after myself and making, just putting everything away so it looks a lot nicer. But after I am done with my workout stuff and after I'm done cleaning off the storage unit, I'm actually going to light an incense, which you'll see in just a couple seconds. I get all my incense off Amazon. The brand I use is HEM, H-E-M. It's all one word, all capital letters. And my go-to scent recently has been the Good Fortune scent. It honestly smells like men's cologne, and I absolutely love it. And I need all the good fortune that I can get. So I'm all about burning this incense. It smells really, really good. So after I'm done there, I am going to wrap up in the living room, and then I am going to end this video by showing you guys the new rug we got from Evelyn's room. So let's get cleaning the living room, and I will be back.
Never shaking you off. something. Do you regret it? Hanging all your dreams like coats on the way we had it. Tell me something. Are we pretending like this 3-year dead end road is still something magic? 'Cause I don't wanna be the one holding you down. I'll never belong here wearing a crown. I gave you everything, but I know better now. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how. I just wish I knew how. I gotta let go. I just wish I knew how.
So if you're brand new here, hey, what's up? My name is Jessa. I know I should have said that in the beginning of the video, but hey, what's up? We are in the middle of kind of refreshing our entire home. I have a new series going on my channel right now. I'll have the playlist linked in the description box. But essentially, we're going through the entire house and painting, organizing, decluttering, decorating, just getting ready for the new year, getting ready for the holiday season. It's something that we've been doing honestly for years, and like we took pretty much all of 2020 off, but we're starting it again. So the first room that we tackled was my daughter's room. Again, definitely check out the playlist link down below. We gave my daughter's room a total makeover. It looks amazing. But I really wanted to get a new rug for her room. We have not gotten a new rug for her room like ever. That rug that we just pulled out was the room we bought when we did her nursery. So I got this new rug, which I totally love. It's this really beautiful white and gray color, and I think it lightens up the room a lot, which that's what I'm going for, especially since we have dark furniture in there. I did get it from Wayfair. Definitely sign up for Wayfair's emails. They had Way Day, which is kind of like Amazon Prime Day, where they run these like crazy sales and you can get amazing deals. And Way Day, I think, is like September 27th or 28th. Don't quote me on that. I think it's the end of September. It's like Way Day and it's a 2-day event. So I got this rug for $60 and it was free shipping, and I'm totally happy with that. I think it was a great deal. So this is what it looks like now. We do need to take like a couple more days for it to like flatten out, just because we didn't unroll it. So it's looking much better now that it's been in her room for a while. I'm going to put the old rug in the playroom, so stay tuned. That'll be in another video or my next video. But I did want to show you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart. Please consider subscribing if you're new. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. And give this video a big thumbs up if you like it so I know that you like it. And I'll see you in my next video.